In this video, I will show you how you can fix if the headphone jack on your Samsung tablet is not working. Now to fix this issue, first of all, just check your headphones. Now just use your headphones on different devices and make sure that they are working. Now if the issue is not with your headphones, then just perform a restart on your tablet. For that, just open the control center and tap on the power icon. Now just select restart. Sometimes these problems can be caused because of a minor software glitch, which can be fixed with a simple restart. And once the restart process is completed, then just check if your issue has been fixed or not. If your issue is still not fixed, now for the second method, just use a Q-tip. Then using the Q-tip, just clean the headphone jack of your tablet. Just insert the Q-tip in the headphone jack and then twist it around and clean the headphone jack. And check if your issue has been fixed or not. Now if that did not fix your issue, then just insert your headphones in the headphone jack, then twist your headphones around. Now just do that for a couple of times. And after that, you might notice that your headphones has started working. But if this also did not work, then the last thing you can do is just go to settings. And from here, just tap on general management. Then tap on reset. And from this menu, just select reset all settings. Then tap on reset settings and enter your lock screen pin or pattern. Now after that, just tap on reset. Now by doing this, you will not delete any data of your tablet. You will just reset all the settings of your tablet in case if you have enabled the setting which might be causing this issue. But if you have done all that and if none of these methods worked, then you might have a hardware problem with your tablet. Just take your tablet to any service center and they will fix your issue. And this is it. Make sure to like, comment and subscribe. Thank you for watching.